Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI, and I don't know about you guys, but I used to dread mopping the floors. But ever since we bought this spray mop from Rubbermaid, I feel like mopping has become less of a chore and just a little bit more enjoyable after seeing how clean it leaves my house. What I love about it the most is that it's completely wireless. So no more having to change the outlets from room to room or recharge it before using. I just fill this bottle with some water and some of my favorite cleaning solution. It's that easy. It comes with 3 of these microfiber pads, and I really like these because they feel really soft and they're nice and thick. And the best part is I can throw them directly in the wash afterwards and reuse them time and time again. There's also a scrubbing pad on one end if you need more friction to try to help get rid of those stubborn stains, especially in the kitchen. And this spray trigger is really nice because it gives you full control. You can spray as much or as little solution as you need, and I really like the maneuverability on this mop. The mop head is very flexible, making it super easy to steer. I like that it can flatten almost all the way to the ground to help you get to those hard to reach corners. It's also nice because it's lightweight, so it doesn't take a lot of energy to mop the floors, and it doesn't take up much room to store it either. I'm about 5 feet 4 inches tall, and the handle comes all the way up to my chest. So now I don't have to bend over too much or get on my hands and knees just to mop the floor anymore. Plus, it's also got a cushioned grip right here for your other hand, making your mopping experience as comfortable as possible. So if you're still using the old traditional way to mop the floors with the bucket and the water and it's just such a mess everywhere, well, it's definitely time you look into this mop from Rubbermaid. I'm telling you guys, it's super easy and super convenient. You're gonna like it. But that's just my point of view.